Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to check if a linked list is palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome? It is a sequence which reads the same, forward and backward. So the basic idea can be, if we are traversing a linked list in the forward direction and then if we reverse it and then traverse it, it should remain the same. But in this question we will do it in a more optimized way without taking any extra space. The intuition behind this is we have to first find the middle element and then we have to reverse the mid plus 1 till n part of the linked list. And then we are checking the linked list elements. Suppose this is the mid, 3 is the mid, and then we have to reverse this part of the linked list after the mid. So the reversed part is 1 and 2. So we will take a pointer here and we will take a pointer here and we will compare both. 1 is equal to 1, yes. Now we'll move the pointer forward. 2 is equal to 2, yes. And 3 is common in both. So we can say by this, the linked list is palindrome. The thing is, first we have to calculate the mid element. Then we have to reverse the part after the mid of the linked list. And then we are comparing by taking two pointers. One will point to the head of the linked list and one will point to mid plus 1 of the linked list. And if both are same, then we can say the linked list is palindrome. I have made separate videos on how to find the middle of the linked list and how to find the reverse of a linked list. You can check that. Once again, I will tell you how to find the middle of the linked list. We'll take two pointer approach, a slow pointer and a fast pointer. Slow pointer will move one by one and the fast pointer will move two times the slow pointer. Suppose the slow pointer and fast pointer are firstly pointing to head. So slow pointer will move one step and fast pointer will move two steps. Not here. It will reach here. Now the slow pointer will come to 3 and the fast pointer will go to the last. We have to check whether the fast pointer is pointing to null or the fast pointer is equal to null. Then we have to return the data part of the slow pointer, which will be the mid element. So this is how we are finding the mid of the linked list. So this was the linked list. And now how to reverse it. So we are taking two pointers. You can check it in the I button how to find the reverse of a linked list. We just have to reverse these pointers so that it is pointing reverse. This is how we do the reverse of the linked list. So first we are finding the mid element. Then we are reversing this part. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. After reversing these two. Then we will make the fast pointer point to head. We are taking fast and slow pointer for the mid, right? So we will take the fast pointer to head. Then while previous not equal to null, as per the function of reversing a linked list, the previous pointer will point to the head. If we are reversing, then previous pointer will point to head. So we are reversing after mid plus 1. So the previous pointer will point to mid plus 1. So this is the previous pointer. This is the fast pointer and this is the previous pointer. And now we will check if fast data is not equal to previous data, then we are returning false. Suppose here it was 3. So fast data is 1. Previous data is 3. So they are not equal. So it is not a palindromic linked list. If it is not true, that means these two are equal. So we'll move the pointer forward and we'll return true. if there is any element from which we are getting false, so it is not a palindromic string. If we are getting same elements, we'll move the pointers forward and then we'll return true. Let's see the code part. This is the function for finding the middle of the linked list. This is the logic. And this is the whole function bool, because we have to return 0 or 1. If we are finding the linked list is palindrome, then we have to return 1. If it is not a palindrome, then we have to return 0. That's why I have taken bool. So node star slow, node star fast, which are pointing to head. Fast, while fast is not equal to null or fast next is not equal to null, we have to move the slow pointer one time and we have to move the fast pointer two times. Then after running this while loop, we will get the middle of the linked list in the slow pointer. Then we have to reverse the linked list. So this is the logic for reversing the linked list. The previous pointer, slow pointer, previous pointer, current pointer and the next pointer. Slow pointer is the middle of the linked list because we have to reverse the linked list after the mid. So the current pointer is pointing to slow. You can check that in the I button how to reverse the linked list. While current is not equal to null, this is the logic for reversing. Now we are making the fast pointer to head and previous pointer is pointing to mid plus 1. So we will check mid plus 1 from the head. If they are equal, then we will return true and else we will return false. The time complexity of this code is O of n because we are traversing the whole linked list. The space complexity is O of 1 because we are not storing any extra array. So the time and space complexity is given here. That's all for today's video. Thank you.